Why learn Rust?
Rust is a powerful, modern programming language known for memory safety, high performance, and developer-friendly features. It's increasingly popular for systems programming, web development, and building reliable software. Learning Rust not only opens doors to new tech opportunities, but also helps deepen your understanding of key programming concepts, making you a stronger software developer in any field.
The official Rust book.
Start your Rust journey with the Rust programming language, often called the book. This free resource is available online and covers the language fundamentals, including syntax, ownership, modules, and error handling. Written and maintained by the Rust team, it is highly recommended for beginners and experienced programmers alike, offering clear explanations and practical examples.
Interactive learning, Rust by example.
Rust by Example is another invaluable official resource. It provides hands-on, practical examples alongside explanations, letting you experiment with code as you learn. This approach is especially effective if you prefer learning by doing. Each topic builds on the last, covering everything from basic syntax to advanced Rust concepts.
Online courses and platforms.
For structured learning, platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer popular Rust courses, often including video tutorials and exercises. The free course, Rust Fundamentals on Udemy, introduces newcomers to language essentials. Meanwhile, edX and Pluralsight also provide comprehensive courses for both beginners and professionals seeking to master Rust.
Community and practice resources.
Join the vibrant Rust community for support and growth. The Rust Users Forum, Reddit r/Rust, and the official Discord server are excellent places for discussion and questions. Challenge yourself further at sites like Exercism and LeetCode, which feature interactive Rust exercises and code reviews, perfect for solidifying your skills through real-world practice.